If you try to launch Sniper Elite Resistance on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app, select Sniper Elite Resistance. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Sniper Elite Resistance to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Sniper Elite Resistance to be scanned for errors. Now launch Sniper Elite Resistance. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Sniper Elite Resistance. Click on the three dots to open the Sniper Elite Resistance options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Sniper Elite Resistance isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Sniper Elite Resistance data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Sniper Elite Resistance is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Sniper Elite Resistance's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Sniper Elite Resistance is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Sniper Elite Resistance's settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Sniper Elite Resistance again.